I am such a minimalist when it comes to my hands and my nails. I'm really rough with my hands too, but I would love my nails to look good. These came highly recommended, so I got them, and I am excited to see the process of putting them on. Hopefully it's very simple. It's my first time using them, and also how long they last. So let's start with putting them on. I already used a cuticle gel to help push back my cuticles. My hands are clean. This is what the kit looks like. You get a little bit of glue, and then you also do get this to push back your cuticles and a file. And then you're gonna start by finding the size you want. I went for really extra short, and here we go. If you wanna use this that comes in your kit, you can use this to push back your cuticles. You also get this little nail file down your nails. You're gonna get some alcohol pads as well. You have a little glue here, but you also have the option to use the sticky tabs, and I tend to like these. It says these are better for more of a temporary use, so I'm gonna hold off on that and try the glue. I'm applying the glue to the tips, and then also applying glue to my natural nail. Press and hold. And done. Wow, they look really pretty and really classy. I did feel like the thumb is way too long for me, so I might have to cut that down. And once I realized I put on the longest one by accident, because this one's actually a little bit shorter, I went to take it off, but it was like the glue had set, so I didn't mess with it. But this is the short, and even on me, who keeps my nails super short, they feel very, very long, but they do make your hands look oh so elegant. I like that ombre style to them. I got a little bit of glue on the undersides of my finger, and I did use the alcohol pad, but it does still feel like the glue is on there. So it might be on there till I shower later tonight. And now that I have them on, I'm gonna go 1 hour without washing my hands or getting them wet, so that's gonna help them stay intact. And this is pretty cool. I'm loving it. I love how easy this was. I did both my hands in less than 10 minutes, and that's because it was my first time doing it. I'm sure once you're fast at this, you could do it in a matter of minutes and be out the door with great nails. Hopefully they last a long time. Little update, it's been 2 days and I have to glue back on. Now this is my left hand, I'm left-handed. My right hand, we're still good to go. So I'm just super rough with my hands. I think these are so beautiful, and my hands have never looked better, especially on camera. I love it. But for my lifestyle, I think I'm only gonna wear them when I go to events, and I'll probably just do the tabs, the sticky tabs, instead of the glue. But I love them. They're so pretty. But for me, it's a little impractical. I even found like typing, it took me longer to type, and I like to type really fast. So I love the way these look. I am obsessed with the look. If you're gentle with your hands, they'll probably last you for weeks. But if you're like me, it might be better to just wear them when you go to events.